Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see, the market, what it doing here today, as you see it here by that candle, what it showing to you there. It zoom it a little bit like that. What it showing? The market, it fall down till here, then he went up till where we are now. What that indicating, guys? That is indicating here the market, it try to give you here a pin bar, and what me I told you before, I told you need to make a close eye at that level here, that the one down, and that candle when it came to it here, because that candle here is daily candle, but if you go into lower time frames, you're going to find it a lot of candles on the market. It fall down till here, then it going up now. So as you see it, guys, what it's showing here, it's showing another pain bar. It's not yet finished. It's need for it a lot of time. It's need about 9 hours from now. So you need to make a close eye at it. What the market going to do, guys, for investors, it's not yet, guys. For investors, it's still very, very, very early, guys. It's not the right time to buy. There is a lot of things that tell you that. And one of them, the geopolitics or world economical and the Fed, everything is still looking very bad. Also, we just going to enter to the winter. You see the crisis now here in UK. You see the crisis now in Japan. The Fed, he refused to cut interest rate. He's still hiking interest rate. And all those things, it's very, very, very bad to the market, guys. So there is nothing yet. And here for the daily, I tell it to you before. I told you it need to come and to break for us that level here. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter. So you need to make a close eye at those things I'm telling you, guys. In my chart, what I got, the same thing. Nothing was changed. I got here, guys, as you see it, that yellow level here, it's still very, very, very stronger. And that's what I told you before. I told you need to make a close eye at that level here with yellow. And the one here where the market is going to break, either is going to break up or to break lower. Till now, what it's showing, every time he came to that yellow one, he showed there a rejection. And that one down here, he show a rejection. That means there is no sellers. And by the way, a lot of people now know them, they being short in Bitcoin and those things. He said they are not going to enter short anymore because they said there is no volatility and not a lot of people they selling. And that's what I'm telling you here, guys. So as you see it, every time he came here, he show a big pin bar. So now we need to wait in the coming days what's going to say. And that's what I told you yesterday. I told you maybe also we are going to go up, but that one here is just a correction for them to buy from lower before they push it high. Also, we are not going to enter now unless if it came at breaking for us that white one here, that long-term trend is going to bring for us that trend line which is coming from up, guys. So if you are not subscriber, I'm talking to you watching me now. Are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Us every day we put in 2 videos, guys. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all our analysis free, my friend. You don't need to buy nothing. Everything is free here. You can join us here, or if you want to be notified more quicker, you can join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, guys. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, what did I told you about it? I told you that zone where we are here is going to be like here and like here. That's what I told you. What it doing now? Calculating with me. Here one, now is it the second, and down he make for us only one. Now he need to give us 2, then he will go to give us the third one, then after that there is a big drop, guys. And that's what it's doing now, guys. What it's showing to you here, it's showing you are in sideways, guys. Should you buy now, guys? No. Where you are in the control of the bears, guys. I'm talking here about the daily. You are in the control of the bears, guys. At the bigger picture, guys. Here when you came in the daily, what it's showing to you, you are in a downtrend, guys. That's it. You are in a downtrend. There is no buying opportunities now. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. You remember me, I told you got here a divergence, guys, like that and like that, and you got a smaller one from here and here. Should you buy now? Not yet, guys. Watch me, I told you. I repeat it thousands of times. Level. You are in a stronger level, yes. Second thing, what is it? Price action. Where is the price action? That one, you can even draw here a wage like that, or you can draw it from here like that. It's a wage, guys. Yes or no? Is it breaking any one of those ones? Not yet. It need to come to break up here for you to enter long, guys. Till now there is no break-in, so there is no entry, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go in now to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours, and here in the 4 hours, guys, if you remember, also we enter from here because of the one, and here I told you to take the profit. It bring it for you exactly, guys. Now what you got here, look with me very, very, very close, guys, what I'm going to show you now. Look here, what you seeing, guys? If you remember what me I told you about the concept of 5 up and the 5th down. What are you seeing, guys, here? Calculating with me. First, second, third, then it came the 4th and the 5th. It break here. Yes or no? What it showing to you, guys? It went up, then it go back inside the one. So the one is a false breakout, guys. Yes or no? Down, how much we got? First, second, third, fourth, and that one is the 5th one. It doesn't break, guys. So what that indicating, guys? There is no big power to push more lower, guys. There is some people, they want the Bitcoin to stay here. Yes or no? But that things me I'm showing you now here. Guys, what is showing to you? That very well known pattern in Wyckoff. People they trading with Wyckoff, they know that one. It came every time in the accumulation level. There is a fake breakout. Then after that it's going to make like that. Then after that there is a big drop coming, guys. Remember my word, guys. Now the one what is going to do is going to come here, to touch here, and after that it's going to drop, guys. That's how they trade in Wyckoff, guys. Not like some people how they show it to you online. Those people, they don't got any relation to trading, guys. Now there is something is going to come here, then after that it's going to drop till down here. How are you going to know that point here? That one here. How are you going to know it? Using the Fibonacci retracement, guys. How are you going to use it? Let me show it to you. You came from here to the lower of that candle, which is that one. Came from the top, from here to here, guys. Where is 50 and 60, guys? Where is it? Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Where is 50 and 60, guys? That one, 0.61, and that one here is 0.50, guys. Yes or no? What that indicating, guys? You came here and you drawing like that a line. Like that. Here, where is that line? In our stronger level, guys. Yes or no? So now that chart, what is going to do? It's going to come to that level here. Then after that, it's going to drop, guys. Where is going to drop? It's very simple and easy, guys. I'm going to show it to you. The same thing, you using the Fibonacci retracement. You came from the lower here, you draw it and you put it at the level between at the 61 because you are in a down one. What did I do? Let me show it to you. I know it doesn't look clear, but the previous one, guys, where we said over here, is it the 61 and over here, is it the 50? So also we bring the Fibonacci retracement from here till here. We put it at 61. What it give us? Where is 161, guys? As you see, it is down here. So the Bitcoin, it will go till here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. The Bitcoin, it will go in till here, as you see it, guys. Let me tell it to you exactly for the picture to be more clear to you. Bitcoin, it will go till 17,761, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. But that one just analysis, guys. It might that Bitcoin from here to come and to break for us that level here. When should you enter, guys? Should you enter if it came and breaking for you here, that last high, which is here, guys. Everything is too clear. And what me I got in my chart, guys? What I got? That level here with yellow, that one me I told you maybe from it is going to reverse. Another thing, guys, I'm going to show it to you very clear here. Look at it with me. Look at our friend, guys. What's it telling you here? Who is winning here? Is the buyers, guys. It's big buying volume, guys. It's happening. It's more than the reds who came. Yes, there is 3 big reds, but what came after it? 2 big greens, guys. As you see then. Why that big green, that one came? That one? Forget about that one. That one? Here why it came. I'm going to show it to you in the chart, guys. That big green, is it that candle here? Is it that candle here? Why that candle? Because that candle is it in a very stronger level, guys, as you see it. And scalpers and day traders, they know those levels, guys. So then they trading from those levels. like those ones here, they're trading from them. Now they know the Bitcoin is hitting a sideways or ranging, so then they are going to come to make two levels like that. They enter from down here. When it's going to come here, they are going to take profit, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So now what the view for the Bitcoin? I think it's going to make a correction up till that level here, but also we are not going to enter now because I think the Bitcoin is going to fall down more, guys. So make a close eye at those things, man. I'm telling you, guys. Unless if something happen new, and when the daily candle finishes, I'm going to come to you guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, guys. So when also you put in a new video, you're going to find this. It's very simple, guys. There is a red button down. You just turn it to red. Next to it, a bell. Turn it to all. Or you can join our Telegram channel. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker. And you, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Helping us, guys. You see the last video get only 60 views. Also, we're doing very hard job, guys, to put in those videos for you. You don't know what else we're doing for putting those videos for you every day. We don't ask you for nothing. We just ask you to helping us by smashing the like button and writing for us a comment down. Tell us your view. You done it, my friend? Thank you very much. Let's go in now to see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, he came here, then he came down here. He tried to break that wall. Now he's going back up. Now either one of two. It will come upward here again, then you enter long like the last video how I told you, or it will come from here and go back down to the oversold area, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? Should you enter now or no? Not yet, guys. Everything is too clear? Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, if you remember us, we're taking profit here. Now where we are, look where we are. It will do it like here, but should you enter now? No, guys. The entry it was from down here. Where we are, when we break in, that wage here. Here exactly we enter us. Now it's too late, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. For the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And here in 30 minutes, what you got? Walk with me. Here, and here. Guys, what you got? You got a head and shoulder, guys. It's very clear head and shoulder. Yes or no? Look at it now. Look at the chart, how I draw it me. I take it off. What you see it? Did you see it or no? Look here. Look at it. Not the first shoulder. That's the head, guys. Tell here it can. And that one is the second shoulder. Yes or no? Now if it came at breaking for you that level here, should you enter or no? Yes, you need to enter, guys. Take profit of you, it needs to be here. The last high, guys. I'm talking here about 30 minutes. Not 4 hours, not daily, guys. 30 minutes, there is an entry level there for you to enter long again. We're going to tell us if you need to enter or no. It's our indicator, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, it confirmed for you need to enter because it's coming from the oversold area, guys. Yes or no? Actually, the entry, it was here, guys. If you remember what I told you in the last video, told you got a channel where it's being broken here. So we'll have you enter from here. But even now, it's still early, guys. Now if you watching our video and you find the Bitcoin still here in the 200 moving average, you need to enter, guys. Take profit, I told you the last high here. Stop loss, you put it down, then that level. Because if you see in the 200 moving average, what's it saying, guys? Look at it. It's flat. If you bring a horizontal line like that, you find the 200 moving average, the same thing. What it indicating to you? I tell it to you before. I told you do it like that. You are in a rested level, guys. It's might from here to fall down more, but now you are in a rested level or a sideways market, guys. There is no going up, no going down. You are in a sideways market, guys. You see, also we give you very simple analysis, guys. We don't making things very complicated like others. I don't know where they bring in those things. Some of them, they got fancy indicators. I don't know how those people they learn, because majority of them, they are not traders, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you when the daily candle finished, guys. Bye for now.